It's your boy Christian here, back at you with a brand new sneaker haul. We're back at my parents' crib for today's video, filming on an old camera, my original Canon G7X from like 2015, 2016, because I didn't plan on filming a video here. But there's a local mom and pop shop in my parents' neighborhood that actually had a bunch of hidden gems sitting at their stores, and on top of that they were actually going for some like clearance pricing, and a lot of these are Air Jordan 1s. So I wanted to show you guys the pickups, and I actually intend to flip or resell a lot of these just because I know they're going to be easy to flip and their profit margins are going to be pretty solid. There is one pair I might keep for myself, so I'll tell you guys which pair at the end. 5 sneaker pickups right here. I would have gotten 6, but I decided to just leave them behind for now. If anything, I can go back. And this is a store that I used to shop at when I was just getting into sneakers, like at 2014, 2015. I remember even buying like Baron 1s from them a long time ago. Starting off with some Jordan 1 mids. I know I've been showing you guys a lot of Jordan 1 mids on the channel, and this is an older release. So all of these are actually quite older releases from a year to 3 years ago, maybe even more. One of the most notable releases I bought from this mom and pop shop were the AJKO bread. This store got like full-size runs of them, and you know, the AJKO bread was a canceled sneaker release, but Nike never ended up requesting the return of these shoes back to their warehouses, so he just basically sold them all at regular retail price. And I bought some of the AJKOs, not the bread ones this time around, because they were out when I got there. They were sold out, unfortunately, but I did get another pair of AJKOs. But with that said, let's get to the first pair of mids right here. These are a size 9 pair. Pop open the lid. These are a solid daily beater right here. The Air Jordan 1 mid, black and white. This is one of those shoes that will literally go with everything. Overall, really clean sneaker. And I have the receipt. I'll show you guys. Oh, here's the receipt. I actually picked these up for 145 Canadian dollars. Now, they also had some other Air Jordan 1 highs, which I might go back for. I'll have them flash up on screen right now. I think they had a pair of black and gums, and they also had the black perforated. Price I paid on screen for these, and I'll have like the recent sale pricings that StockX has listed, and so that'll show you a general consensus, general idea of how much profit I can potentially make on these. This is a mid you're not gonna find like anywhere, so especially brand new. These are like all sneakers that are a few years old, brand new. Did I buy the gums? I don't know. These are also a size 9 right here. Again, nothing in my size, unfortunately. Pop open the lid, and oh, I did get them. Okay, this is the black and gum Air Jordan 1 high. Seeing these sneakers, like, it really takes me back to a few years ago when they came out, like what was going on at that point in time in my life and everything. That was like college. It would have been college. These are a size 9 pair, brand new, of the Air Jordan 1 black and gum. This is the price I paid plus tax, 180 plus tax, and this is what they are currently going for on average in this size. All right, next up, let's do a pair of Nike Air Maxes, and then we'll get over again to the Air Jordan 1. These right here were from a pack that sat for a while, eventually sold out, but they had this pair still available and actually on sale. So retail price for these Air Maxes is, these are 8.5 women's. Oh wow, I thought these were a men's. Shoot. Well, this is my sister's size, so if my sister wants to buy these from me, I can bless her. But yeah, retail price for these Air Maxes I'm about to show you guys was $175. I paid $145 plus tax. So this is a size 8.5 women's. The box label is definitely aged a little bit. You guys can see with the yellowish, but it's a women's Air Max 1 LX. Here we have it, brand new pair of these, the Air Max 1 Just Do It. I remember when these came out, I bought the Air Force 1 version of it. I wore them once. I might have even swapped into off-white laces, and then I didn't wear them again. Left them in storage for a while, and now resale is crazy on those. I have the Air Forces on screen right now, the current resale prices. These Air Max 1s are definitely going to be a solid flip in terms of profit, and probably not too hard to sell. Considering it's still summer, people are still looking for some cool white sneakers. And I know actually a lot of stores got these at Nike outlets. So if you were able to cop these, or if you were a fan of the Just Do It pack, which sneaker did you guys like the most? So yeah, in terms of resale, we'll have the what I paid on this side of the screen. And then over on here, we have what they're currently averaging in the resale market. Next up, we ended up buying 2 pairs of these Air Jordan 1. I thought they only had 1 pair left, which was going to be the one on display, and it's a bit messed up. I'll show you guys the messed up pair in a second. You can tell by the box they have been sitting for quite some time. Typically this box is like a perfectly saturated orange, but this side of the box has been facing like a light for so long that it sort of discolored the box right here. It's like a lighter shade of orange. So I got 2 pairs right here, and I think I bought 8 pairs of Air Jordan 1 KO breads from this store when they originally released. And when I went back in January or February, they also still had them sitting. That's how low-key the store is. They have just that kind of stuff sitting. But this time around, we got the other colorway of AJKOs that recently released, or not so much recently released, but here we have it. This is the Royal Air Jordan 1 KO, the AJKO. I actually did review the bread pair, so I'll have it pop up on screen right now, the review, if you want to go time travel back in time and see what the review for the AJKO breads were like. But these right here are the Royal colorway. Why are they called AJKO? Big question. So there hasn't been a proper confirmation on what the KO stands for, but apparently it could mean Air Jordan knockoff, so like a replica, fake kind of thing, or they could also be called the Air Jordan knockout. So knockout, the whole reason people might think knockout is because I think way back in the 80s, 90s, when people were boxing, they would use canvas upper sneakers. So this is a completely canvas Air, not completely, there's a small hit of leather on it, but these are a completely canvas Air Jordan 1 right here. This is the slightly messed up pair. So this pair actually, the light, because it's been on display for so long, that the blue here and the black is actually a little bit faded, as you can tell. The back is a bit better. It's a bit more saturated on the back, but because these were on display for so long with the light shining on them, there is some fading right here. So I might turn these into a personal beater pair, or I might do a custom project on them, because canvas is a really easy material to paint on with acrylic paint. The left side, because it's been in the box the whole time, you can actually see the discoloration on the one shoe compared to the other. It's a lot more saturated the way it's supposed to be on this pair right here. So that is the first pair, and these retailed for, I believe, $180 plus tax as well, and I picked these up for $135. So $135 Canadian on clearance, on sale for these right here. And besides that pair, he actually brought out a second pair. He was gonna sell me the nicer pair first, which I didn't even know he had. So both pairs on this are completely fine in terms of saturation. Like, there's no discoloration or anything like that at all. These are perfectly fine Royal AJKOs. So he was gonna sell me this, and then I was like, I didn't know you had 2. Well, I'll just grab the display pair anyways, because it's such a rare shoe to find, especially in 2020. And considering how much the prices of all Air Jordan 1s have gone up, lows, mids, highs, these have also gone up a little bit as well, or a considerable amount. So the retail price on screen right now for what I paid, which was $135 plus tax, and then we'll have the average resale pricing for the size, which are 2 size 9.5s on screen right now. So pretty good, I want to say, profit margins for these right here. And if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this where I'm buying shoes to flip, like sneaker investing you could call it, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want some sneaker investment videos. I know the homie Jumper Man Chris, he has done quite a few relating to sneaker investing. I find it very fun because I do a lot of flipping on the side, just because I think of sneakers as like trading cards. It's more fun than, say, the stock market, because you actually have tangible goods in your disposal, or like in your wall. The most dangerous thing is not to get high on your own supplies, as they say. You don't want to get tempted and end up wearing a pair that you had meant to resell, because then you're just eating into your profit. You're eating into the money of your biz. But yeah, that is the last sneaker pickup. The great alternative to a leather version, the canvas version. The main difference is the the material, it not being leather, it just being canvas, and then the back panel right here is actually the same color as the stuff here, which is actually, I know I'm going on a tangent, but Michael Jordan's actual Air Jordan, or not Air Jordan, the Nike Air Ship he wore was also a black panel like this. So this is actually more true to the original Nike Air Ship that Michael Jordan wore. I'm sure a lot of you guys saw that Nike is actually going to be retroing or reissuing the Nike Air Ship in that bread colorway that he originally wore back in 1985. So this is this is pretty close, just different terms of material and colorway. Thank you guys so much for watching. A lot more videos on the way, and we actually did a sneaker giveaway a while ago with the Yeezys, the Air Jordans, and some Ape sneakers. The Jordan ones were claimed. I have to ship those out to the guy who won, but the Yeezys were not claimed. So we have a pair of Citron Yeezys to give away. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button down below, comment down below your favorite sneaker, and we'll have that giveaway very, very soon for you guys. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.